Hey guys, it's Liv. Welcome back to my channel. So today I have a spaghetti mukbang or spaghetti lunch for my lunch. I put cheese on it and it melted, so hopefully I get like a cheese pool. That's what I'm hoping, but I don't know. Is it gonna work? Oh my gosh. Little cheese pool. I feel like this should have came with like a little bread, like mini breadstick or something. It is good though. I'm sorry you can't really see it. I wish I had somewhere to put it, like a little table or something, so you guys can look at that. Oh. So you guys can see it, but I can't believe that like August is like next week, I believe. I can't believe how fast like summer went. I'm not complaining because I'm ready for fall. I'm ready to like decorate and have it be a bit cooler. This is really good though. Better than I thought it was gonna be. And I know I put on there like skincare routine video, which I will do. Hopefully I can do it sometime this week. If not this week, it will be next week. I want to do a makeup tutorial, like a makeup type video, but I don't know if y'all want to see that. Alright, let's try one with the cheese. I'm glad I put cheese on there. I could have probably put a little bit more cheese, but it's still good. I just watched Step Papa's eat Chipotle burrito that was like toasted. She toasted it and it looks so good. I feel like Chipotle should like allow, like have that option to like toast your burrito. I was not expecting this to taste like this good. Like for frozen spaghetti, not that bad. It is still pretty hot though. cheese. Ooh. Oh, did it? I don't think I got a cheese piece. I thought I was gonna end up getting one. Here's last bite. Anyway, that's all for this video. Thank you guys so much for watching. Hope you guys liked it. If you guys did, don't forget to like and subscribe, and I will see you guys in the next video. Bye.